In this tutorial, you will learn exactly how to use the built-in Windows command prompt to send an instant message or notification to another computer that is connected to the same local area network. Let's get started. This one is my message destination computer, Windows 10. I need to know IP address of this computer. Go to search. In search, type CMD. Click on command prompt. In command prompt, type ipconfig. Hit enter. This is my IP address 10.17.54.60. Go to the message source computer, Windows 11. Go to search. Type CMD. Click on command prompt. First, I need to check the communication. Type ping and the destination computer IP address 10.17.54.60. This computer is successfully can communicate with that destination computer. Now type CMD key /add and the destination computer IP address 10.17.54.60 /user clone username. My username is Mahmoud /password clone and type your password. I am typing 123. Now hit enter. CMD key credential added successfully. And now type the message msg */server clone server IP address 10.17.54.60 and then I am typing the message hello, how are you? You need to attend today's meeting timely. And then hit enter. Now go to the destination computer and the message is appeared on destination computer's desktop. Hello, how are you? You need to attend today's meeting timely. That means the message is successfully appeared. I am going to send another message from my source computer. I'm just changing the message. Thank you. And hit enter. And look, the message is appeared at the same time on the destination computer. This is the easiest way to send instant message using CMD from one computer to another computer in local area network.